walking around Istanbul, eating kebabs. There was nothing else but kebabs. Anyway, obviously it's Istanbul, isn't it? Look what I found. Masala Magic Indian restaurant. Let me turn it. There it is. And we're seated outside. I'm seated here, so let's have a look how the guy makes these. And then what I will do is I'll taste it, show it to you, see what he's bought. I've ordered a chicken masala curry, some tawa rotis, and some chicken pakora. Let's see how it comes out, see if it comes out any good, if it tastes any good. Haven't really seen an Indian or a Pakistani restaurant in Istanbul, but first time managed to find it. So let's give it a try, see what it's like. So my chicken pakora has arrived. Looks very nice. I've just tasted it, and chicken pakora, freshly made. It's not one that's taken off the shelf. It's freshly made. They don't have any chili sauce, but they do have ketchup. Let me give it a try. I think it's one of the best chicken tikka pakora I've tasted. But then again, I haven't tasted any in the Istanbul before. But take it from me, it's one of the best. Let's see what the curry says. The curry will come out nice. I'm going to rephrase that. It's the best chicken pakora and the only chicken pakora I've tasted in Istanbul. Maybe there's other Indian restaurants, but I haven't found any. It's the only one. Let's see what the curry says. Guess what's come to the restaurant? I'll show you. Yeah, two little cats waiting for dessert. I'll have to get them a dessert to eat. So my curry's arrived. It looks exceptional. Let's see how it tastes. Let the roti arrive and we give it a taste. There's the tawa roti. Looks beautiful, yeah. And there's the curry. Give it a try. Let's give it a try. That's the boti and the roti. It's the only Indian in Istanbul, but it's the best one. 10 out of 10. I'm going to enjoy my meal. Right, enjoyed my meal. Nothing left, nothing left, nothing left. Like I said, it was one of the best boltis I've eaten. But then again, there's no other bolti in Istanbul. Right, I got fed up with kebabs. I had to have a curry. Enjoyed it. 10 out of 10. Passing by, this is the place to come. So I had my curry. Gonna go for a little walk, get some exercise in. Walking down the side road, you've got some lovely cafes, all lit up. One thing I gotta say in this place, thank you very much. All right, one thing I gotta say in this place, it's very well lit up. The cafes in the winter, they've got the outside covering, so you know it's not cold otherwise, because they have less space inside. I think this is a food area, all restaurants and kebab restaurants and shisha lounges, and oh, them lovely kebabs over there. Those lovely kebabs in the window over there, or the pillars, I don't know, but it looks very nice. And then you've got another one up there. Yeah, so you've got that one there, the Qasim restaurant. Thank you. And then Olympiad. Right, so we got that side. I'm gonna walk down these.
Excuse me. Hello, welcome.
Thank you, sir.
You Turkish?
No, brother.
You're checking money here?
No. I'm going for exercise first. Then I come later on for cup of tea. Thank you, sir. So, gonna have a little walk and just have a see what other restaurants here. But it's beautiful because the place is full of restaurants. I'm just gonna ask someone what's the name of this place. What is the name of this place, brother? Name? Kumkapi. Kumkapi. So this is in Istanbul, and it's bars. I think it's for more nightlife, but it's a bit early at the moment. We're talking about 6:30, 7 o'clock in the evening. So, salam, brother.
عليكم السلام كيف حالك حبيبي؟
Alhamdulillah. Brother,
شوف منو؟
no problem. I'm walking there. I'm going to have a look, okay?
No, I give you information, excuse me.
No, I know you give me information. Go on, give me information. What is this?
And we have excuse me, the also fish, we make it for you good price.
Okay.
And the free, this is free in the house.
No problem.
And if you want the fish, if you want the meat, you have
No problem.
also meat. Yeah, we make it for you discount.
No problem. Let me have a
Inside
walk.
this house.
Let me have a walk,
Okay, you wanna walk,
and then
okay.
I'll have a look. Okay. So,
Promise?
yeah, I can't promise. All right. So he says he wants to give me information about food, and then I said no, and then he said no, have a look, take the information. So when I took the information, he's telling me no, you must come in and eat. But I've just had a curry. I don't want Turkish food. It's my day off from Turkish food today. I'm having a break. Anyway, that's just a small clip of the area that I'm in, and let's see where else I can get to. One thing I gotta say, yeah, is where you walk in let's go that one, yeah. Let me try. Well, no matter where you walk in Istanbul, somebody's gonna come up to you, yeah, and say, come and have a look at this menu, come and have a look at that menu, come and have a look at my shop, come and have a look at that. Right, so you've got to be prepared for that if you come to Istanbul. Yeah, everybody stop you. It's worse than Morocco. But anyway, this is another one. It looks like a red light district, but believe me, it's not a red light district. There's no women in any windows anyway, yeah? It's all restaurants. That's the only woman you're going to find in a window. There it is. But there's no other women in the windows. It's like all very well lit up. Yeah?
My friend, how are you?
All right, bro. How are you doing? You good?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah, not too bad. I just do a little bit of video.
It's good, thank you.
You keeping cool, yeah?
Bye.
Okay. So, I'm walking back up this place and getting out of it and see if I can go and get a coffee somewhere.